Affiliate marketing the next level. Affiliate marketing has become the most reliable means for producing a solid income online, and is an easy and quick way to success. Affiliate marketing is a skill and a trade that must be mastered if you want to produce a significant income, and we want to tell you exactly what you need to know to achieve the results that will change your life forever. Global e-commerce sales are exceeding $1.25 trillion annually. Approximately 20% or more of those sales are affiliate marketing-driven sales, with retailers paying out over $3 billion annually in the United States alone. With the growth of mobile devices and others means of accessing the internet, online sales continue to climb, and so does affiliate revenue for those affiliate marketers who have the right tools and information to attract quality website traffic that will produce results. Get the affiliate marketing the next level, and learn the strategies of the pros. With your access to the affiliate marketing the next level, you'll have everything you need to get started on your path to success in affiliate marketing. It is packed with crucial information you will need, including insight into the 3 critical things that all affiliate marketers need to excel online, how to become a super affiliate in niche markets, techniques for choosing the best affiliate programs out of the large selection available, identifying the bad affiliate programs you need to avoid so you don't waste time and effort, generating easy profits through PPC in your affiliate marketing business, how to properly use testimonials and product recommendations to effectively increase your revenue, tapping into the power of video tutorials and presentations to maximize interest, how to avoid the top 3 common affiliate marketing mistakes, and much, much more. The Affiliate Marketing the Next Level provides valuable info learned from many years of professional hands-on experience. With your copy of the Affiliate Marketing the Next Level, you will not waste countless hours and dollars learning the hard way through trial and error. The Affiliate Marketing the Next Level is packed with rare strategies and tactics from affiliate marketing professionals.